today we are discussing about that subsets. Yeah. Now let's A be a set of all integers. That means dot 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 -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot 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 dot. Now this is a set, and B is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 dot. Now B is the subset of E. Then B is the subset of That means each element of set B, that means each element of set B belongs to set E. Here, this is the subset concept. Then B is called the subset of E. Now here is some note. So what are the notes are there? For subset, or remarks. What is that? Number 1. Each set is a subset of itself. That is, A is a subset of E. Am I clear that? Each set is a subset of itself. Number 2. Null set. That's when this is null set. Has no element. You know that. So null set is a subset of every set. This is point number 2. Point number 3. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. Here, number 4. If A is a subset of B and A A not is equal to B, then very important point, then A is said to be proper subset of B. Clear? And B is superset of A. I think, and it is represented as B just opposite. So this is subset, this is superset. These 2 points are very important for considering these things. So this is subset and B just opposite. Superset. Clear? Now the question has come. What the question? If A is a subset, X is an element, and X is a prime number, less than 5, and B be a set which having the element called Y, and Y is a even prime number. Here, what they asked, then is B is a proper subset of A. Carefully read the question. If A and B are the two sets, they are given the proper subset of A. Okay, now answer. What is set A? X is a prime number less than 5. So that is 2 and 3. And y is an even prime number. This is very important. So what is b? There is only even number 2. Now it is clearly b is a subset of a, and b not is equal to a. So what will be here that b, then we write b is a subset of a, that is proper set, proper subset here. That question very simple, but the main thing is that number. Now question number 2. If a is equal to, say a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers is there, and b 2, 3, 4, 5. The question is a is a subset of b, or b is a subset of a. Answer. Now a is 1, 2, 3, 4, and b is 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see that element a belongs to a, 1 belongs to a, but 1 not belongs to b. That means a is not the subset of b. Is number 1 condition. And number 5, 5 belongs to b, but 5 not belongs to a. So what implies that b is not also the subset of a. So neither a is a subset of b, or b is a subset of a. Is this clear, this answer? question number 3. If A is equal to A, E, I, O, U and B is equal to E, I, O, U, A. Question is, if A is a subset of B or B is a subset of A or both. Now answer. Each element of A is an element of set B. Each element of set A is an element of set B. So therefore A is a subset of B. Again, also each elements of set B is an element of set A. Here. So B is the subset of A, but this is also a disjoint set. This is also a disjoint set. From 1 and 2, we get A minus B. A is equal to B. From 1 and 2, A is equal to B. Okay. Now, how many set, how many subset, that is number of subset number of subset of a set. If A is a set with number of element is P, that is any means number of element. There element in P, then number of subset is the number of subset of A. How many? Is 2 to the power P. Then number of subset and number of proper subset. One is subset, one is number of proper subset of A is equal to 2 to the power P minus 1. 2 to the power P minus 1. Okay. Now what the question they have given? They have given the question. A is a set, X is the element, where X belongs to R and X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Here. Now what is their question? Write the power set of each of the following. Write the power set of E. Here. Now x square minus 7, there is no solve, so A is not a real number, so x is equal to null set. Therefore, null set is the only subset of given set. That is, P subset of P is null. So the question number 2. B is a set where Y belongs to natural number and 1 less than x less than x. So what is the set? A, B. B is 1, 2, 3. It is clear. 1 is B. 1, 2, 3. So how many set will be there? As we know, number of subset is n b, means 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 3, that is 8 subset. Here, so what are the 8 subset? First one is power set of B. First one null. Second one is 1, 2, 3. So with 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, then 2 comma 3, and then 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, this is the all the sets. Today we have discussed up to the subset. Today we have discussed the subset.